Hello, and welcome to this BaconBits video on upgrading bacon. We're going to go over the process of upgrading bacon, and just keep in mind it's very similar to the install steps. Only difference here is that we're not going to have to run the pre-install script first. So let's get started. First task is to transfer the file over to your server. Here I'm using WinSCP, but you can also use SCP in Windows or another third-party app if you choose. So first, I've configured my VM. The very important thing here is that whenever you set up a new site, you want to set the protocol to SCP. Then for the host name, you can use either your IP address or the FQDN. And then you'll type in your admin username and password. Then if you choose, you can also save it like I have here. Alright, once we have it taken care of, we want to just drag our installer from left to right. This will drop on the server for us. To connect to the server, I'm going to use SSH, though keep in mind you can also use something like PuTTY if you prefer. So I'll type in SSH, then my username, and then here I want to enter either the server IP address or the FQDN. After that, follow it with my password. And from here, if we do an ls, we can see our file that we copied over is the 4.1.20.1 installer. And then from here, I also want to use screen. This will allow me to preserve the console session if anything happens to this computer. Let's say if my VPN connection drops, or maybe my laptop battery dies. So I can just type in screen here. I'll press space. All right, now that I have my screen session up, I can start the install. So first we'll do sudo dpkg-i. Then I'll point it at that bacon installer. And I like to use tab completion here, so I'll type the first bits of it, then tab. Then enter. Alright, so let's take a few to get finished. So we'll just fast forward and I'll see you at the end. Alright, now our upgrade's done. Thanks for joining us in this BaconBits video, and we'll see you next time.